Hello, you are watching Gold News on the GIGO ACE TV channel. In this episode you will learn what the global inflation rates have been in recent years, how to prevent savings from devaluation, and which asset is the best for protecting your savings. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get started. Inflation has had a significant impact on the financial health of people around the world over the past 3 years. According to the International Monetary Fund, global inflation in 2022 reached a record high since the mid-1990s, 8.7%. In 2023, it was almost 7%, and in 2024, this figure was even lower. However, despite the gradual decline, these values are still above the average level of recent decades. The rise in prices for goods and services reduces the purchasing power of the population and devalues savings. There are a number of assets that can help protect your savings from inflation. Let's look at the most popular ones. Real estate. Real estate tends to increase in value over time and can provide a steady income through rentals. However, it has a major drawback: high initial costs. In addition, there is the need for property management and maintenance, while real estate market fluctuations pose additional risks. Bonds. Bonds, such as U.S. Treasury securities, can provide stable income and protection against inflation. However, they typically have low returns compared to stocks and real estate. Additionally, there is a risk of issuer default. Investment funds. Investing in mutual and index funds can reduce risk through asset diversification. However, market fluctuations can affect the value of these assets. Furthermore, some funds charge high management fees. Precious metals. Precious metals are probably the most popular assets for protection against inflation. Among them, investment gold stands out, having proven itself as the most reliable and stable asset. Why gold? Gold has always been considered one of the key assets of the financial market. It has historically retained its value and served as a safe haven during periods of economic uncertainty. It is the stability of gold that has made it a popular means of preserving capital among individuals. You can learn more about the value of gold by watching the video in the info card above. Central banks of various countries are also actively acquiring gold to boost their financial reserves. This makes sense. In the 1970s, when U.S. inflation exceeded 13%, gold prices soared nearly 25 times, from $35 to $850 per ounce. Clearly, countries recognize that gold is an asset one can rely on. By the way, if you're curious about which countries are leading in gold purchases, click on the video in the info card above. Thus, in the modern world, it is important to keep your savings in reliable assets to protect them from inflation and economic crises. And investment gold is one of the best tools for preserving and accumulating capital. You've watched Gold News on the GIGO ACE TV channel. Don't forget to subscribe and press like so as not to miss the next videos. We'll be back soon with new useful content. See you next time.